Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I have this Ford Transit van. That doesn't matter what it is I'm actually working on. This is going to be a little short video, but it's in regards to, and if you heard me say it before, about having somebody look your car over. I think you can see that, right? Okay. I don't trust maintenance schedules. Meaning, like on this, it's 2017 Transit. The maintenance schedule is change oil every 7,500 miles. Okay, well what if you only put 7,500 miles to 10,000 miles a year on your car? You're only gonna have somebody look at your car one time in a period of a year? I don't agree with that. I do not agree with that. Also, manufacturers do that. They say 7,500 to 10,000 to 12,500 I've seen. The reason they do that is it makes the car seem more maintenance friendly. It costs less to own. Really? Because I tell you what, motors are not cheap. And also think about this. So 7,500 miles, okay? Now you have a 336 warranty. So you're gonna change your oil 5 times during that warranty period. Okay, after that you're out of warranty. They don't care. They don't care at all about it. So, hang on. Sorry, I had somebody coming over. So why not just change your oil ahead of time? Change your oil every 3, 4, 5,000 miles. Make sure you check it too in between, because vehicles nowadays, they do use oil. I got behind a Camry yesterday. It was like an old diesel, smoking like crazy, just burning oil. Low tension rings. That person probably never changed their oil when they were supposed to, and the rings got stuck. But yeah, so anyway, my mom, she's 82 years old now, and she's still very active, still out there, drives the whole bit. She's totally fine with it. She has plenty of friends that are still out there of her age that drive, and they've asked me this question before, and I've said, why wouldn't you want to have your car into a shop and have somebody look at it at least 2 to 3 times a year? Right? Because how do you know if something's going wrong until you get broken down on the side of the road? I'd rather have somebody look at my car, especially somebody of that age. Especially my family. I'd rather, even if I'm not the one to look at the car, have somebody look at the car, bring it in for an oil change, bring it in for a tire rotation, something. Have somebody look at the car, somebody you can trust. But here we go. This car's been a little over 10,000 miles. Look at that. Look at that. That tire is ready to explode. That tire is shot. Also, why is the tire so shot? Well, as you can see, it's actually worn reasonably even, but the ball joints are shot. Look at this tire too. This tire, I believe, has a belt shift in it. Because you see how the outer edge, like it gets worn here, like all the way across, and then it's not there. Usually that's a belt shift, and actually if you look, you can kind of see a bulge towards this end. But my whole point to this is, your family's driving on a road, my family's driving on a road. Get your car in, have somebody look at it. Make sure it's safe. Obviously this isn't safe. So, this was a potential accident not too far down the line. How in the world they got any traction in the rain is beyond me, because it's rained here. This didn't just happen. This has been over a period of time. And I'm sure at the last oil change, the tires are probably getting close. They probably still passed inspection, but in 10,000 miles, that happened. So anyway, that's it. I just want you guys to be safe, that's all. All right guys, hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.